Hello my friends, today we'll do another unboxing. I got another box of offcuts. This time it's from a company called Ocooch Hardwoods. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. So Ocooch Hardwoods. And a few of you guys recommended buying offcuts from them. And actually I was on their website because I needed to buy two planks, one of Wenge and one of Yellow Heart that are 1/8 of an inch thick, because I needed for an inlay. I'm doing a monarch butterfly inlay and I needed the black and the yellow colors. So since I was on their website ordering those strips of woods, I figured might as well listen to you guys and get the offcuts, see what they are about. Now when you go to their website, they have two boxes of offcuts, one of exotics and one of domestic. The exotic one, which is the one I got, it's $35 for 10 pounds, and the domestic ones, I believe it's 20 pounds for $16, so a lot cheaper for the domestic. Now, I'm not sponsored, they didn't send me this, I bought it with my own money. Like I said, I was getting some pieces for an inlay I'm working on. So let's open it up and see what we got in here. But hold on a second. Before we open the box, I just want to show you, I have a dehumidifier in here, and also not sponsored, they didn't send me, I purchased it with my own money. I had one that I purchased 12 years ago, and it's been going on non-stop in my shop and in my what was garage previously before I had a wood shop. And it's been going so well. These dehumidifiers are so great. They're absolute must if you live in a climate where it's, you know, humid in the summer. And these things are a beast. You need one of these in your shop if you work in your garage. It takes my humidity from, like, you know, 80% humidity down to 40 in about, you know, 30 minutes to an hour. It is incredible. And mine have been going on nonstop, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And like I said, I had one. It's been going for me really well for the last 12 years, but he finally gave in. I think, I don't know if he has Freon inside and he ran out of that or something happened, because it still runs, but it doesn't take the humidity out. So I'm just going to show you a picture of it. It's right here. I will insert the picture. If you're looking for a good dehumidifier for your shop, I completely recommend that. I might even put it in the link in the description below. Like I said, I just purchased a new one. It came today, so I'm very excited about it. Back to our box. So let's open this and see what we got. So what I order is I order, like I said, a board of the Yellow Heart, which is this one. For my inlay, like I told you, I'm working on a monarch butterfly, and then my 1/8 of the Wenge, which I needed for the same butterfly. And this is just a piece of, you know, plywood that they put it on to make sure these things are not warping and are staying flat. So that is the piece that I ordered. That is not part of the 10-pound box. Another thing that I ordered was a sample package, and this is with all of the woods that they have, because I wanted to see exactly what they have, and because I'm not so familiar with a lot of the exotic woods, I just wanted to have this on hand, so then when I do inlays and I'm looking for a specific wood or color, then I know what to look for. And of course, I can also use this sample pack if I need it for inlays. And this is also great for when you get offcuts, then you can recognize their woods. So this is zebra wood. They are very well labeled. Let me bring you a little bit closer. All right, so this is the woods that they carry on their website. They have zebra wood. They have Yellow Heart, which is the one that I got from my inlay. They have white oak, Wenge, walnut, red oak. I like that everything is labeled. That would make it so much easier for me now to see when I have offcuts what it is. Curly maple. We have some cherry, canary wood. I love the canary wood. I will be ordering some of that for another project that I have coming up. Butternut, bubinga. So this is just the woods they're carrying on their website. If you're interested, Bolivian rosewood, that is beautiful. I actually have some of that in the shop. Bloodwood, this is something I purchased. I put another order and that one is coming. Black limba, beech. Then some aromatic red cedar. I actually have a few pieces of that. We have some quarter-sawn white oak and some purple heart. We have some lace wood. And even just getting this package of like all of their sample cost me, I'm putting this face down just because I have my address in there. So the sample pack cost $20. So for me, this is worth $20 just for inlays. Harp maple, I can use all these pieces. They're 1/8 inch. We have ash, we have alder, we have basswood, Baltic birch plywood, aspen, poplar, padauk, and mahogany. So for $19, this is all the samples of wood that I got, so I'm able to recognize all the pieces. So I'm gonna keep these ones. I'm not gonna use them. I'm gonna keep them just for future reference until I get myself really familiar with all the wood. So what did we got in the box? For our exotic 10-pound box, we got a very nice piece of, it's either mahogany or cedar, I do not know. Maybe I should reference one of these cards if I can find it quickly. All right, it's probably mahogany if I have to guess. So we have one piece of mahogany. That was part of our 10-pound package. Then we have this piece, which is, now I'm in trouble because none of these guys look like this. I do not know what this is. It's kind of yellowish. It has some red and brown in it. I have no idea what this thing is. So a mystery piece. Then we have a nice piece of purple heart. Look how purple that is. And it does not appear to have any knots, any cracks. There are some saw marks. It looks like it was cut on the bandsaw, but absolutely no defects on this. That's about this big. Then it looks like we have two pieces of walnut that does have a knot in it and a little bit of crack. Is it walnut? It doesn't look like walnut. Is it? I don't know, but the beautiful, beautiful figure, whatever these things are. You see that? Two nice big pieces. But these things are beautiful. Just look at it. Look at the markings on that. And this is the other side. And this is the other board. This one looks in better shape, but look at that. All right, so far very happy with it. Then we got two pieces of padauk, which I'm very happy with. I love working with padauk, even though it makes my shop look like some kid spilled a bag of Cheetos. I will use it. And then two larger boards of maybe mahogany. This one is thinner than the other. One looks like a 1/4 inch and one of 1/8 of an inch. Big boards. And that it is. Well, it's not a lot of woods. Like I said, it's only 10 pounds. But I love every single board that I got. There is no short, tiny pieces. They're all pretty long. This thing has beautiful grain in it. These guys, they almost look like they were book matched from the same board. If you look at the grain, you see that? It's not square, but I bet they came from the same board and they were cut and book matched. Let's see if I match them the other way around. Yep, definitely book matched. I mean, look at that. Which makes it really, really exciting because that means I can square them up and I can make something really cool with these guys. The purple heart, it is so purple, I can't even describe. I don't love working with purple heart. And this mystery piece, I really don't know what it is. If you know what this is, please let me know in the comments below. It's kind of like a yellow tone, but it has pink lines in it. I don't know. Is it worth it? Well, it is for me. I love, like I said, every piece. I will use them. I'm very excited about all my sample packs that has all the names and stuff, so I will know what to order next. I'll definitely get some of this cedar. I love that. And maybe some of this black limba. Look at that. Maybe that's what that board is. No, it's not. Maybe it's canary wood. No, it's not. Maybe. It kind of looks like canary wood, but it's more yellow. I don't know. All right, well, that's all I have for today. I'm excited with my package. I love it. Like I said, it was not sponsored. I purchased it with my own money. I do recommend it. And it's also, this company, it's a really, really good source for 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch boards if you do not want to resaw yourself. I do have a really good bandsaw, makes it easy to resaw things, but sometimes it's just easier to get just the wood you want on the size you want. Makes the projects go a little bit faster. I hope this was helpful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing and I'll see you in my next video.